Hello everyone, welcome once again. So today we'll be diving into learning masking in CapCut. So I want to create a new project now and click create project. So I click here. I just wanted to import any video that I have here. So I click open and to open a file that I want. So this is one video now. So let me drag this one to the timeline. So this is the timeline now. So this is one of my videos that I've done so far, I think last week. So let me click on it now. Let's also add masking. So this is it now. Click here, click add mask. So when I click, I can click either this split. If you want to split it into, you want to have only one particular angle to show, you can click on it. You can either, if you want to rotate it, can rotate it here. You can see, can rotate it. So if you want to add keyframe, you want to add feather, you want to blend it, you can see. So let me turn it again. You can easily do this. So let me try another one. Yeah, you can see this other keyframe. This is what they call film trip. So this is circle. If you want circle effect, this is position. If you want to move it to any direction, so this rotation. If you want to, this one can work out. This is circle. So if let me take it here. So this one, if you want to take it up, this y is x. X is if you want to move it to the left and right. Y is if you want to move it up and down. So that is what our y is all about. So this is rectangle. You can see this rectangle. You can see when I add this feather here, it's kind of, the sharp edge became, open. So this art text. If you want to add any text, let me see. I want to add famous. You can see. So different. You see that how nice it is. So this is another one here. Brush. And then this one is, I don't know. There's no network yet. So you can see. So that is what this particular mask is all about. So in our next video, I will show you some example on how to use it. So thank you guys for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment for more.